Welcome to the Espresso Insiders Podcast. I'm Luke, and my aim is to bring coffee knowledge, tips, and industry insights to the average Joe. This podcast is for the masses, the people that want to make their mornings a little bit brighter and understand more about what they're drinking. If that sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. I'm a huge fan of podcasts. I listen to them all the time, and I love learning about different subjects from passionate, like-minded people. So, what sort of episodes am I going to be bringing out? Well, it'll be a mixture of interviews with coffee professionals, solo episodes where I'll offer insights into coffee brewing, as well as bite-sized episodes where I'll offer tips and tricks to help you improve the way you make coffee at home. So, without further ado, grab yourself a delicious cup of coffee, share this podcast with the people you care about most, and make sure to subscribe, rate, and review the episodes. With your help, I'd love to create a thriving coffee community and share as many coffee experiences with you guys as I can.